So this question is to find the distance between A and B. So for that, let us mark a point which is D, which is exactly at the same point of the 4 centimeter circle. Now we are going to keep that as D. Now similarly, you are going to mark the centers of the circle. C1, C2 and C3 are the centers of your circle. Now we are going to connect each centers and we are going to name those values. So the value will be 3.5 and this is 5. Now let us connect the centers with the middle line so that we will be getting a right angle triangle for respective cases. So that will be equal to D1 and similarly that will be equal to D2. Now we know that AC, the radius of the smallest circle, will be equal to 1.5. On substituting the known values, we will be getting D1 C2 will be equal to 2.5. Similarly, C1 D2 will be equal to 1 centimeter. Right now, have made it as a triangle. We have got two triangles. So with the help of these two triangles, I can able to find D1 and D2. Let us have these two triangles alone. Now rearranging this. So 3.5 square will be equal to 2.5 square plus d1 square. On rearranging this, d1 square will be equal to 12.25 minus 6.25. On subtracting that, d1 square will be equal to 6. Therefore, d1 will be equal to root 6 centimeter. Similarly, we are going to find the same case for your next triangle. So hypotenuse square, 5 square will be equal to 1 square plus d2 square. Now 25 will be equal to 1 plus d2 square. On rearranging that, d2 square will be equal to 25 minus 1, which is equal to 24. So therefore d2 will be equal to 2 root 6. Therefore the distance AB will be equal to d1 plus d2, which implies is root 6 plus 2 root 6, which is equal to 3 root 6 centimeter. So therefore the distance between A and B will be equal to 3 root 6 centimeters.